Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind, don't know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, for fans of Caribbean music, for fans of Vybz Kartel and fans of Rihanna, even fans of Drake. Big news! 2 big albums are on the way. Now, Rihanna has confirmed that. As a matter of fact, the headline reads, Rihanna assures Navy new music is still coming despite R9 lengthy delay. Now she refers to her fan base as the Navy. Drake also has an album forward as well. What is the significance of this? Do you remember Rihanna's statement? Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers will be a part of the R9 project and is rumored to be one of the artists that was requested to send the most audio files. She wants him on the intro, she wants him on the verse, and she needs him for a chorus, viewers and subscribers. Now, Rihanna assured her fans, aka the Navy, that music is still coming. The wait is over. Well, not quite. She confirmed though that the music will be sooner than they think, while not divulging the actual date or title for the project, because when we say R9, that's because of her 9th studio album. She said, while promoting her newest venture, the Fenty Skin and Diamonds, she was saying it's probably going to be sooner than fans think, but I'm just going to leave that alone because I've got enough stress and questions like, R9, where's the album? They don't leave me alone. I haven't neglected them. I still got you. Music is still my baby, she said. While recording music, she is still a billionaire mogul and has several entrepreneurial efforts and humanitarian causes and fashion ventures that she's currently focusing on, but will be wrapped up shortly. She have some line, she have boss, and some humanitarian things she want to deal with. You see what going on worldwide with the world, you know what I mean? So she probably got some farm array, I don't know. She's not giving a confirmation from that. Now Drake also confirmed that his album is 90% complete. Now the significance of that is that since here, Drake has gone out of his way to say Gaza on 2 big tracks. Now people that say because those tracks were drill infused and big in the UK, he had to make reference to dancehall and he have to talk about the king. So he mentioned the Gaza. Now I will point out it has been years since we hear Popcorn say Gaza on a track. So for Drake go time wait for say Gaza, it sounds like he plans to have Vybz Kartel featured on his album as well. And it wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't surprise me because Party Next Door track with the teacher verse, you are read bad girl, take back chat and anything you said, you can defend that. Remember, that was organized and orchestrated by OVO Music. No matter feel like I said the link, no matter feel like I just say where I said the link is established. You know, Vybz Kartel has worked with OVO recording artists. Now Drake, being the OVO CEO, I am born October. There's no doubt him see the effects. That song was gold within a couple months. And at that time, Party Next Door's career was just taking off. So it was really a track that was big. And remember, being based or being from Canada, you know the love and appreciation when them have Caribbean music. Exciting moment, viewers and subscribers, in a dancehall music and reggae music too as well, because Rihanna said some reggae artists will be featured on that 9th studio album. Definitely a good look. She said she not forget about the music. Music is still her baby. I mean, she said music is still her baby. So recording music is still a passion of hers. But right now she have a whole heap of other ventures are going. Billionaire, you know? You did know? Billionaire Fenty. Pay attention, she go on with skincare, clothes, shoes. It's a whole brand. Right now, she have a whole collection, and enough people that consider a collection just from evening wear to day wear to, you know what I mean? Then that's that is called a collection. But when we say collection, or when Rihanna say collection, she talk about from head to toe. Because she covers from head to toe. She make shoes, she make blouse, skirts, jeans. Mama got makeup, skincare. Yo, remind me of a Vybz Kartel. When the teacher got cake soap, liquor, clothing, shoes. Release. They even free Vybz Kartel. Think about it. Rihanna is not a billionaire. You know how much income she generate for not only her country of origin but also North America. Imagine if Vybz Kartel was allowed to create these ventures, meaning to them never take him off of the streets wrongfully. Jamaica would have looked on some GDP of, we don't want to speculate and go enough figures, but think about it. A multi-million-dollar business based right here locally. I don't feel like them meds it. Then I say the marketing power of dancehall music. People like to limit artists. That's why when Vybz Kartel showed them such, I was just not a dancehall artist from the inner city where I can forward out and just be content with purchasing my favorite car and living uptown. Warm to my friend them. Warm to people who I don't know but are from the same situations or face the same situations that I used to face. We have to talk about it. We have to find a way to help them out. We have to show them all of what we have learned since being from the inner city and now being a business person. We have made millions. Tell them the secrets of success. Them never like that. Them start all call him teacher. What am I do? And him actually I try to educate them after them call him teacher. And that is where the falling out start. From those days. And just the lyrical content when them are talk about the raunchy content. King Yellowman say when we did start out, we did keep it raunchy. So it is not because the teacher that sings certain raunchy lyrical content. It was actually the songs where a whole heap of people really know them. But the few will listen to them are very influential individuals. And it kind of spark a certain mindset or thinking in these individuals' brain. And them go on to tell other people, them say, watch you know, wake up. And that's the thing go. We're not going to conduct our affairs in that manner. We're going to deal with things that way. We're going to centralize and establish. You know what I mean? We're going to elevate, we're going to inspire, we're going to motivate. We're going to bring innovation to the game. If I saw them out do it, we're going to do it better. If them work that way, we're going to work 10 times as hard. Vybz Kartel brought that to dancehall music. You have artists who say, we'll stay in a studio all night, we're in the studio all night. And when you hear them, I'm going to record one track. Vybz Kartel show them say, a joke on that. One depend. One track? You mean one track get mixed and mastered out of the whole heap of tracks on the record? You know what I mean? You don't go record, mix and master one song and spend the whole night in one studio. You know a joke. The teacher roll in and get to work. Me even a producer recently say, watch you know, Vybz Kartel the first dancehall artist to MC start record the track from the third or fourth line. That means the Vybz Kartel have a vision. If you don't want to talk about that, yes, if you don't want to talk about that, say your more vlog. Just say more vlog. Just say more content. As a matter of fact, say more content. I will talk about. Simple as that. But it was very amazing for you, the producer, say, yo, you know, start from the third or fourth line. And what me gather from that is that means the teacher not only had a song or a concept, but a vision for the song. The way the song that go sound. Because if you have a concept, you start talk from the third line. Because remember, it have all time. As to we know with Vybz Kartel music. Recently the artist said, them said Germany feature. Him say alright, Germany. Roll up the Benz, luxury eternally. And Germany make the bad Benz luxury vehicle. Vybz Kartel is a unique dancehall artist, a national treasure. You're gonna state it as it is. You're gonna state it as we see it from our point of view. Definitely a national treasure and should be acknowledged as such. But I said the one called Jayden dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminded that now if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. You know the something go. Yeah, man, I move settings from I wouldn't need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is gonna live, love, and prosper, of course, until we reason again. And as I'm gonna say, subscribe icon today. Click it, bell icon right after that so you can get a notification and know when the thing them drop. You know the something go.